Did your Canon scanner suddenly stop working after a Windows update? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Windows updates can sometimes replace or disable scanner drivers, causing your computer to stop recognizing Canon scanner. First, open Device Manager. Find your Canon scanner, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically for the latest compatible driver. If updating doesn't help, uninstall the scanner driver, restart your PC, and install the latest scanner driver from Canon's official support page. Next, make sure scanner permissions are enabled in Windows settings. Then, launch Canon IJ Scan utility and test your scanner again. In most cases, reinstalling the correct driver restores scanner functionality immediately after a Windows update.
If this guide helped fix your Canon scanner, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more printer solutions, and thanks for watching.